In UK healthcare hiring, a generic CV can make a strong candidate look easy to miss. Let's look at how a modern healthcare CV helps your experience stand out fast. Show what kind of healthcare professional you are right away. Lead with your role, then bring your clinical rotations and care settings into view so your experience reads in seconds, and make certifications like ACLS and BLS impossible to miss so employers can verify your readiness at a glance. A lot of people worry that AI will make every application sound the same. In healthcare, that concern matters even more because trust and professionalism matter. The goal isn't to make you sound robotic. It's to help recruiters see the person behind the dates, duties, and qualifications. With the right structure and wording, your CV can still reflect care, judgment, and the kind of human presence employers want in a healthcare team. Healthcare CVs often need to hold a lot of detail, from training history to certifications and specialist experience. The layout has to work hard without feeling crowded. A clean template creates clear sections, strong hierarchy, and enough breathing room for a recruiter to scan the page quickly. That visual clarity helps important information land faster, so your CV looks professional and readable even when it carries dense healthcare experience. And it's not just your CV, you can also build a matching cover letter so your application feels complete and consistent from the first page. For healthcare job seekers, that means less time wrestling with format and more time presenting your strengths clearly. If you're ready to build a stronger healthcare CV and cover letter, visit CVMaker and get started today. Show recruiters your experience with more clarity, more confidence, and a more human first impression.